Guys, we have a new product for you today. This is the PWS PUB Mount. The PWS PUB Mount is a hub-compatible suppressor attachment. It'll work with our FRCs, Q Plan B, and any Rearden muzzle device. In this case, I have our standard PUB, which will work with a 2-port, but for 3-port muzzle devices, we recommend the PUB XL. On the PUB XL, if you run a 3-port muzzle device, this will allow greater separation between the muzzle device and the first baffle, which is very important in the case of running suppressors. And lastly, we have the PUB A. This will work for anyone who wants to run a PCC or lever gun with a FRC, Q Plan B, anything without a Nielsen device, it works just fine.